Empower your business with a single integrated solution. Introducing our all-in-one ERP software built to simplify, automate, and succeed your business operations. Transform your industry with Wider ERP. Let's look into key modules of Wider ERP. Masters Management, Material Management, Procurement for domestic and import, Sales for domestic and export, POS billing, E-commerce, CRM, Production, Inventory, QA/QC, Job orders, HRMS, E-portal, Accounts, Customer management, Vendor management, Warehouse management system, Distribution module, Salesman tracking, Analytics and dashboards, Reports, Loyalty and offers, B2B and B2C printouts. Let's take a closer look at each module. Start with the foundation, Masters module. Define and manage your core data effortlessly with masters like Store Master, Counter Master, Employee Master, Customer and Vendor Masters, Bank Master, Transport Master and User Permissions, all securely handled and seamlessly integrated across the system. Next, Catalog Management. Define and organize categories Master, Brand Master, HSN Master, Currency Master, Units of Measure, detailed product specifications, and flexible, multi-tiered price, barcode prints for efficient and scalable operations. Next, manage your entire domestic and import procurement cycle seamlessly, starting from internal indents to purchase returns. Workflow includes every step: initial stock entry, purchase indent, purchase order, GRN inward, purchase invoice, and purchase returns. Fully integrated for traceability with comprehensive tracking listings. Next, track every stage of the sales process with precision. Quotation to sales order to delivery, packing list, domestic and export invoicing, and returns. Comprehensive listings provide full visibility for tracking and performance analysis. Next, POS billing module. The POS module offers a fast and user-friendly billing experience. You can scan or search products and instantly view them in the cart. Screen includes billing summary, payment section, quick actions like hold bill, KOT, orders and options like save, save and print, bill and KOT, and save and email ensure flexible checkout. Overall, this POS screen simplifies counter billing with all essential tools built in. Next, let's look into e-commerce module. With our fully integrated e-commerce module, your online store and ERP work together seamlessly, ensuring real-time updates for products, stock, and orders. Next, delivery app with e-commerce module. The Wider ERP delivery app enables delivery agents to access orders, navigate routes, verify OTPs, collect payment, and update delivery status with proof in one tap. All updates sync instantly to Wider ERP, giving businesses real-time tracking and complete delivery visibility. Next, CRM module. The CRM module handles sales inquiries with follow-ups. Track interactions and never miss an opportunity. Production covers every critical stage of manufacturing. From production planning and task scheduling to managing work in progress and generating accurate packing slip. Process card to define, track, and control every step involved in product production cycle. Next, inventory management. Handle your stock operations with precision and real-time control. Includes stock conversion, stock in out, a streamlined staging process for direct stock in, material requests, and inventory adjustments, all seamlessly managed within the system. Next, the QA/QC module ensures quality at every stage of operations. Systematically inspecting and verifying all incoming and outgoing stock to maintain high standards and compliance. Next, job order management. Handle both sides of subcontracting with ease, from job orders in received from customers to job orders out issued to suppliers. With complete tracking, cost control, and process visibility throughout the workflow. Next, the HRMS module delivers comprehensive workforce management. With powerful features including HR dashboard, onboarding, HR masters, employee profiles, payment and leave structures, shift scheduling, attendance with regularization, approval workflows, payroll processing, payroll list, payment slips, payouts, and a file manager for easy document access. Next, the ePortal offers seamless access to essential digital compliance tools. Easily generate e-way bills to ensure smooth transportation of goods and process e-invoices effortlessly, all fully compliant with the latest government regulations. Next, the Accounts module includes advanced accounting. Manage all your business finances in one place with the Accounting module in wider ERP. From payments, invoices, and expenses to journal entries, PDC tracking, and bank reconciliation, everything is simple, organized, and fully integrated. Basic accounting includes customer payments and vendor payments, all seamlessly integrated with transaction workflows and comprehensive financial reporting. Let's move to the Customer Management Portal. Customers can log into the customer portal using the credentials provided to them. Then, customer can either place inquiries, track quotations, place orders, view invoices, and monitor payments, returns and its reports, all directly synced with the wide ERP. Next, let's move to the Vendor Management Portal. Vendors can log into the vendor portal using the credentials provided to them. Then, vendor can either receive inquiries, submit quotations, view purchase orders, upload invoices, and track payments and returns with reports, all fully synced with the wide ERP. Next, Warehouse Management System, which handles order allocation, product picking, packing, and shipping, all in a streamlined workflow. Next, Distribution module, Salesman tracking. Salesmen can log into the Salesman portal using the credentials provided to them. Salesmen can manage their entire workflow, mark attendance, record outlet visits, place orders, apply schemes, collect payments, track inquiries, update follow-ups, submit expenses, generate quotations, and access detailed reports, all seamlessly connected with wide ERP. Next, Analytics, which gives you real-time dashboard. View summaries, dues, enquiries, and insights across all modules at a single glance. Next, the Reports module provides powerful insights, including procurement reports, sales and customer reports, vendor and stock reports, GST filing reports, job order reports, financial statements, and many more custom reports at your fingertips. We offer integrated loyalty management, offer management, and incentive management to help you drive customer engagement and team performance. With wider ERP, you're not just investing in software. You're empowering your entire business with a smarter, faster, and more connected way to work. Wider ERP software is designed for modern manufacturers, distributors, traders, retailers, and service companies to run their operations with real-time visibility and complete control. Whether you're starting small, scaling up, or streamlining complex operations, this is your all-in-one, future-ready complete solution. Book a free demo today and take control of your entire business in one place. Visit www.zymofar.com. Call +9 17090665577. Email info@zymofar.com.